Classroom. Classroom. This is my classroom. Cafeteria. Cafeteria.
We eat lunch at the cafeteria.
Library. Library.
I like to study in the library.
Laboratory. Laboratory.
I do experiments in the laboratory.
Nurse's office. Nurse's office.
I go to the nurse's office when I feel sick. Gymnasium. Gymnasium. We have physical education class in the gymnasium. Playground. Playground. We play on the playground during break time.
Music room. Music room.
We practice singing in the music room. Art room. Art room.
I learned to paint in the art room.
Locker room. Locker room. I put my bag in the locker room.
Bathroom. Bathroom.
I wash my hands in the bathroom. Changing room. Changing room. I change my shoes in the changing room.